Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tracking credit utilization with WalletHub. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Launch the WalletHub app on your device. If you haven't already, sign in to your WalletHub account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the credit score section. Tap on the credit score option to open detailed information. Scroll down to locate the credit utilization tool. Select the Track Credit Utilization option. You may be prompted to add your credit accounts if you haven't done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your credit cards. Make sure to input your credit limits accurately. After adding your accounts, return to the Credit Utilizations section. Here, you'll see your current utilization percentage. To enable tracking, toggle on the tracking feature. Review the settings and adjust alerts if necessary. Once configured, you'll receive updates on your credit utilization. This will help you stay informed about changes in your utilization rate. Exit the settings and return to the home screen. Feel free to explore other features available in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.